What up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And today we're doing something a little different. Out here with Ken, Speed Addict 731, and you know, he's out cruising, got the hot rod out, and of course my car's not done yet. And you know, I was thinking about it. It's like, you know, the time and all that, and the budget issues are killing me. I've got to find a way to get this done, and I think I did. If you look right out there, you'll see an overpass. What do you think? Could it work? Is it not going to work? Now look, I actually made a sign, and I think it could work. I mean, yeah. I mean, that's a really good looking sign. I was actually thinking that, you know, if I go out there on this overpass on-ramp, I might be able to get some race car parts and finish the car. So,
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
I mean, I got to finish the car, dude. I've got to finish the car.
You gotta do what you gotta do.
I know. So, we're fixing to go out there. Here we go.
Hey, is this how you're supposed to walk? How do they get up here? I don't know. Is there a specific way up?
We might get some parts today.
Maybe.
I mean, what kind of, like, I need some axles, I need a differential, wheels.
Wheels.
What do you think the chances of someone having like a drag set up in their car? I don't know. I guess we'll see, right?
Yep.
You never know. I don't think this guy's got any parts.
He's not having none.
He totally gave me the WTF look, dude. Like, seriously. Little man. And out there, probably not even gonna race car parts in the minivan. It's a busy day on I-40. You know, it's holiday weekend. I figure this is the best chance. I think I'm talking because I'm nervous. You know?
The avoiding eye contact is going to be
Yeah.
they're going to avoid that. Most people are not even going to read that because
Right.
they're going to do the whole avoiding thing.
They probably won't even read my sign.
No.
Like, I should have put like an arrow or something. You know? Oh, there's a city cop. This could be bad. This could actually turn out worse than before. All right, Ken, this isn't working. I haven't gotten a single part yet for the race car. Like, people just aren't paying any attention. Like, they don't want to read my sign or anything. Like, what do we need to do? We got to do something. It's really hot out here. Okay, I guess we're just gonna have to be patient and hope somebody reads the signs and they got some car parts. That's all I can think of. So we switch sides a little bit. Maybe a passenger would take more compassion on me. It's not doing too well. It's hot as hell. Should have brought like a lawn chair or something, you know? Or a backpack or something. I don't know.
Oh yeah.
Something. I'm serious. You got any race car parts? Okay. Well, let me know. I'll just be here. See ya. No, just parts.
Yeah, you still up here?
Yeah, just parts.
Got nothing yet?
Huh?
You haven't got nothing?
No, I actually had somebody stop and ask me if I was serious, but they didn't have any parts. So I got screwed. I don't know. I don't think this is working. Maybe I need a bigger sign.
Yeah, you've been up here for a while, man.
I know. It's not working out. Had one guy had a set of small black Chevy heads, but
The camel hump?
double hump, yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. 3/4 racing cam. You're holding up traffic now.
All right,
What's going on, bud?
all right, brother.
Appreciate it.
Good luck.
All right. Well, guys, I guess that's a wrap. Nobody had any car parts. Got offered some small block Chevy heads, some cash, and a cheeseburger. And unfortunately, I can't really do anything with those on a ox body Mustang with a Coyote engine. But we tried, and we made the best use of the day. So, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Keep up with all the builds, everything we're doing on this channel. And if I have to come back out here, I'm bringing an umbrella. Peace.